Another day, another pagluluto na naman ng ating gagawin. Wednesday nga pala, nasa daycare si Silas at nasa school naman ang aking anak na kambal. Magluluto nga pala ako ng pork binagoongan. Naghihiwa na ako ng mga sangkap na gagamitin natin. Kakailanganin natin ng sibuyas, kamatis at saka sobrang laki nila. Sobrang laki ng kanilang talong, hindi ko na mabigkas. Ang laki talaga ng talong dito sa New Zealand. Kakailanganin natin ng baboy. So meron ako ditong pork chop. Ito lang ang gagamitin ko. So usually talaga yung ginagamit nila is pork belly cut. Ito na, magigisa na tayo at ang una nating gisahin ay ang ating, i-fry muna natin yung ating talong. So ito yung way para hindi malasog yung talong kapag hinalo natin mamaya sa binagoongan. I-fry lang natin hanggang sa ma-brown yung ating talong at pagkatapos ay isi-set aside na natin ito. Pagkatapos naman ng talong ay ipiprito ko yung ating baboy. Kailangan natin i-brown ito. So naalala ko tuloy nung nasa Cebu ako, palagi ko talagang gustong-gusto kong kainin at iulam sa karinderya ang pork binagoongan. Hindi ko alam ko ito palang tawag, binagoongan pala. Alam nyo kasi sa Bisaya, tinatawag namin ito yung pink shrimp, yung shrimp paste, uyap. Naglalaway talaga ako palagi. Minsan kasi hindi ako nakaka-afford bumili ng pork binagoongan. 20 pesos kasi yung serve ng pork binagoongan at 10 pesos lang yung budget ko for lunch. Alam nyo kasi nung nasa Cebu ako, 50 pesos lang yung per day ko allowance para sa aking ulam. So nagluluto na ako ng kanin sa boarding house at bumibili lang ako ng ulam sa labas, sa karinderya. So ito na, magluluto din tayo ng baked potato. Sa kakachika ko, natapos na pala sa pagluto yung ating pork binagoongan. So magluluto nga pala ako ng baked potato kasi alam ko yung mga anak ko hindi talaga kakain ng pork binagoongan. At pati na rin si Mister, so nag-set aside ako at magluluto ako nito. Naghiwa lang ako ng patatas at saka ng sibuyas. Ilalagay ko lang sa ating baking tray. I-arrange lang natin ang ating patatas. Pagkatapos naman ay maghihiwa ako ng chicken breast pala yung ginamit ko. Pagkatapos mahiwa ay lalagyan natin ito ng asin at imimix lang natin hanggang sa masison yung ating chicken. Naman ay gagawa tayo ng ating sauce. So ito nga palang 2 itlog, ibibit ko. Pagkatapos ay ilalagay natin sa isang bowl. Maglalagay din akong cream, paprika, asin, at saka pepper. Maglalagay din ako ng Italian herbs. Imimix lang natin ito together at pagkatapos ay ilalagay natin sa ating baking tray with the potato at saka yung chicken kanina. So, i-finishing natin ito with black pepper. So, ayan na siya. Ika-cover lang natin ito ng foil. At i-bake lang natin ito for 40 minutes sa oven. Pagkatapos ng 40 minutes, ayan na siya. Maglalagay pa tayo ng mozzarella. Mozzarella cheese ang gamit natin. Pwede din ibang cheese. So, mozzarella yung ginamit ko. Pagkatapos, ilalagay natin ulit sa oven. 15 minutes lang. At ito na yung resulta ng ating baked chicken and potato. Ito naman yung ating binagoongan. I-serve na natin yung ating dinner. Ready na.
Mommy, what is this?
Yummy, taste it. Come on, taste it. Say if you're gonna like it.
I'm not eating that.
Why? Try it.
I don't like it.
Just try it a bit only.
No.
Just try it like that.
No.
How about Yana? Try it like that in your hand.
This one.
Here, your hand. Okay, I'll get you another plate then. No, like that? Oh my God, you don't. Sit down nicely, please. Try it, my love.
Is it pork bilagogo?
No, binagoongan.
You like a go on an?
Yeah, it's alright. It's not gonna kill you. Honest review.
I don't want that.
Tastes like pork with rotten fish.
I don't want pork and rotten fish.
Okay, we'll have some. What do you want then? You want some chicken? Come on, yummy.
Juice.
Huh?
Like juice.
Yummy, you like that one? Chicken and potato? Do you like the chicken and potato? Not this one? Do you like this one? Do you like the pork binagoongan? So let's eat dinner, but they don't like the pork binagoongan. It's just me only gonna eat this one. So mommy's gonna have mukbang. Why you don't like my pork? Mommy's gonna have a blast tonight with my dinner.
Blast in the toilet.
I don't want to blast in the toilet and I will hit my head on the ceiling.
What do you have for lunch at school today?
Delicious.
Egg and bread.
Ham sandwich?
No,
Delicious.
it's egg. I don't like having sour. It's not the egg and I don't want it.
Let's eat now.
Mm.
Tikman natin.
What do you have, Si?
Delicious.
Si, what did you have for lunch? Hmm? Do you have spaghetti?
No.
Hmm? What did you have? Marmite?
No. Mine is
This is delicious.
jam
Mm.
and some.
Pizza?
I'll have some broccoli because I think it's nice with broccoli.
Ow.
Hot.
I don't want that. Dad, I'm going to tell you something.
2 years when your kids are small, it's massive. You can't do that.
Dad,
No.
I'm going to tell you something. Silas don't want to let me fishing. He said only boys.
Mm.
I want to go fishing. You don't want to fish with my
Yeah, they will.
No, I want to fish.
We're having a fight today.
I want to fish. No, 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 boy fish. No, girl fish.
This is only for boys.
Boys usually go fishing, but girls can go... No, Hatang, but girls can go fishing too. No, Hatang.
And you want a snack, eat your snack. No, you ate your snack. Not eat it.
Ayan, ganito talaga yung kapagkainan namin. Minsan nagpapatay niyo yung mga anak ko, minsan naman mahal na mahal nila ang isa't isa. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hindi nga pala nila nagustuhan ang pork binagoongan. I hope nag-enjoy kayo at sa susunod naman na vlog. Bye!